Hi, I'm ethos. I am an ethical appeal. I establish credibility and reliability. I always use the best experts and am always accurate. I use effective word choice and restraint in my language. I evoke appreciation for the author and their credibility. Hi, I'm Logos. I am a logical appeal. I always use statistics and facts. My definitions are always denotations, and my opinions are always informed. I evoke a rational response. Hi, I'm Pathos. I am an emotional appeal. I use poetic language and figures of speech. My work is always emotionally charged, and my words are always connotations to get the feeling across. I evoke an emotional response. And we are the Three Musketeers.